we got this project started, demoed, and put back down within just a few weeks. So if y'all got any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them, and I'll be happy to get back with you as soon as I can. Now we're moving on to a couple more small jobs, and I'll get them all recorded as we go. Got started on this boathouse over here and got the tool trailer set up, parked in the driveway here, all the equipment mobilized, the scaffolding's already been delivered. Across the way over there, one of our customers also is nice enough to let us use the property. I got my dump trailers over there, so we'll be able to take the barge over there to get everything unloaded in that area right there and hauled to the reclaimed yard and also to the dump. We got a big dumpster there for anything that's trash we'll throw in there and have it hauled off. But here's the boathouse. I got some rock poles and stuff, small poles for the boat that's going in there, so we're going to demo that, and you can kind of see it's got a little bit of sway back on the sides. Get that replaced, and going back with some large pilings. You're going with some 10-inch 35 footers, so that'll be a nice upgrade to this. You can see over there where that pipe broke right where that bolt goes through. Boat was just a little too heavy for the system. Snapped it and that cable free spooled down. Already fishing this morning.
Part of my sawzall fell off.
Did it really?
Yeah, brand new. It already had.
It's probably due to the color.
No.
Probably due to the color. Yeah. Roof all prepared to lift it off with some straps. Getting hurricane clips cut off right now. Got holes in it. You can see that we're going to put some straps around there and just pick the sections up, try to stack them up on the barge nice and neat so we can haul them off. Got Jeremy back. Got the roof down, we got the roof bands off. Now we got to work on getting all the pilings out. You can see over there on the far side, we got a rotten piling there that had been sister poled to, and looks like the sister pole rotted off also. So, time to change this thing out. Boathouse pole's completely rotted into, you see the bottom right there. It was bolted to the dock pole. That's the only thing that's holding the boathouse up. We set the outside catwalk poles. All lined up. Got a little sample truss up there for them to look at to see if they like the elevation. His wife sits right here and stares out at the beach. Or looks out at the beach, looks at the water, and we don't want to block her view. So kind of give an idea what to look at. We're going to drop it down to a 3 on 12. We got a 4 on 12 up there right now. Try to get a little bit more view over top of the roof. Got the boathouse done over there. The lift is hung. If you look way over there on the other side of the canal, the guys are working on it right now, waiting on the electrician to come tomorrow to get it all wired up. And over, I don't know why it's focusing in and out like that, but over here on this job, we did a big long seawall a long time ago. We got a 24,000 pound lift here. He's been using this lift temporarily till his boathouse was built, and his bunks are here for the Caymans on this lift. So we're going to come over here, take these bunks off, take them back over there via the barge, which is en route right now. You can see the guys making a corner there now. We're going to grab these bunks because they are way too heavy to pick up by hand. See a barge out there? I think got too many poles in the way. They're coming this way here. We're going to grab them and then take them back around over there, get them installed, and head back up to the other job way up in the canal system here at Villa Venice. There we go, pulling up nice and steady now. Got the wind blowing hard. Just gonna try to push him up against that no. Gotta watch the top of the boom of the tractor, the fascia of the roof, and the scaffolding with the bucket to get that thing all the way in here. Beautiful look. It took a little work to get balance on. Hard to deal with. Here's the completed project of the boathouse from across the canal view. Very beautiful Cayman sitting in that big boathouse. Looks nice, fits nice and pretty. Good 4-foot catwalk on the outside with through flow decking. High mooring poles on the outside for tying up on the outside, along with piling caps and heavy duty bumpers. Really appreciate you guys watching the videos and your comments and likes and all that. If y'all would please leave me a comment down there and subscribe. And yeah, that is a bump on my head. That's what a edge of a 2x4 looks like when you run into it not paying attention. Silly me. But thanks a lot, guys. We got more videos coming. Hey guys, thanks for checking out my videos. After my videos at the end here, I like to always kind of show what's going on around the house, different things I do, and my dogs playing in the water, people like that. But this is the reclaim barn right here that we did off of Gallia. All the pilings that we took out of Gallia Marina. I got a sawmill and I've been milling that stuff up. I built some scissor trusses out of this, and you can see this whole barn is built out of reclaimed products. The roof is reclaimed and all that too. It's not quite done yet, but I've got the underlayment on because I wanted to see the boards parallel underneath it, which looks really cool. I'll get some shots of that and post it in here as well. But here's some of the interior of the scissor truss barn. These are all bolted with the bolts that come off the Gallia Marina. all the boards that you see on the ceiling here, the 2x6s, the 2x4s, the big beams, the pilings, that is all Greenheart that was milled right here with the sawmill. This is beautiful thing. We're making a little dining area right here or something. My wife's going to put some chandeliers, maybe some side fans on it. I think it'd be a really pretty venue or something like that if somebody ever wanted to use it. I love the ones right there with a little bit of rod in it. It's still pretty structurally sound, but man, it just really brings out the best in it. It's beautiful stuff. Now what I'm gonna do on the roof, everybody's saying, well, it's gonna leak like that. Of course it is, but it looks pretty. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put peel and stick up there, and then I'm gonna cut at a angle, like a shingle, the live edge poles. I'm gonna have a live edge on the bottom shingle, and then we'll put some peel and stick on it to keep it from leaking. So it's gonna be a live edge roof shingle, which will be really cool looking and a little bit of a challenge. Got another barn back here, spinning around awful quick, that I used the quarter rounds that we cut off of the Greenheart poles, and I put that on the front right there, and you can see that we've got a whole bunch of good design there, big barn, and inside here is more of the reclaimed yard from Kelly's reclaimed yard. We got plenty of reclaimed stuff in here also that we've salvaged from a business that closed, and also shelves that we've made. Birch shelving right here, live edge birch shelving, and some of the oak slabs that we've cut. We're letting them dry out. And the company that we purchased all the tools and products they had was the Lazy Susan company. So we've got loads of Lazy Susans back here and loads of the little round cutouts. You can see there's one right there also. More Lazy Susan tables, and just a whole bunch of different products, all kind of birch, and we got teak, we got magnolia, we got oak, we got cypress. And here's some more of the Greenheart stuff. This is what my wife has named the lace Greenheart. It's right where the Torito boreworms have gotten into the boards and them eating them up, and it looks really cool. You can make some really nice resin tables out of this stuff. You see it right here. Really, really pretty stuff. Here's another one here. Let me pull it out. See how it looks. Looks really neat, but we have to cut all that with a carbide tip blade as well to cut through. Here's a neat birch log that I just cut the other day. I think it's really pretty. Be making a nice shelf somewhere. More of the live edge birch we cut. And some cookies back there. Just got them in here drying out right now. These are some red oak slabs. I've had them here for almost probably 3/4 of a year right now drying out. Let them get all dried out, then we'll be ready to turn into something. I thought this table here turned out really cool. We got some warps in it right now. We got to work on getting those out. Some bows.
All you need is the ground wire touching the water.
Yep.
You know what I mean? So why don't I just staple
All right, Kelly's first ride. She wanted a cart with a red tag on front, but unfortunately I got her orange one. And bucket seats. Got the puppies. Kind of smoked me out. Okay, just installed my brand new blades from China. I got the carbide tip blades as advertised on Facebook. We're gonna give them a whirl, literally, on this sawmill, cutting these Greenheart logs. Let's see how that ends up. beautiful green heart log I just cut up. I cut up 12 1 by 9-inch planks on this right here with this blade that just ordered from the Chinese factory. Saw the advertisement on Facebook, so I figured I'd give them a try. And the carbide tip blade actually did a really good job. You see them lines, they all look perfect. This green heart is really hard to cut. It's like 3,000 PSI. Beautiful lumber.